Hello, welcome to my demonstration season. My name is Dixon, student of 5CPA. Today I am going to show you how to use the soldering iron. Soldering iron is a hand tool used in soldering. As you can see, it is composed of a heater metal tip and an insulated handle. Soldering irons are most often used of installation. Now I will show you how to join two wires. Let's get started. First, put in the soldering iron. And turn it on. Second, wait till it is hot. Make sure it is hot enough to melt solder. After that, join the wires. Finally, turn it off. If it is not turned off, it will be dangerous. As you can see, it's very user-friendly. Soldering iron can be used for installation, repairs, and limited production work in electronic assembly. You may now try to use the soldering iron. If any problem arises, please leave comment and I will glad to help you out. Thank you.